Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Big news for local businesses as Jamaica is now listed as one of the approved countries for seller registration on global e-commerce giant Amazon, meaning businesses locally can register to sell goods using their local information. Now, earlier I sat down with Barrington McIntosh, global Amazon consultant and top seller on Amazon, on what this means for local businesses.
This is amazing news for local companies because prior to this, I have been selling on Amazon for 11 years. And prior to this, in order for you to sell on Amazon, you would have to partner with somebody else or either sell your products wholesale. Amazon has leveled the playing field now, saying Jamaican companies can register from here with Jamaican credentials, passport, documents, your company documents, your ID, and also local bank accounts. So this is something, Javon, I've been waiting on for 11 years, and it's finally here, and it is big news for local companies.
What's the kind of earning potential that exists now for these local entities that would sign up?
The only way I can describe this will now parallel what tourism does for Jamaica. That is how expansive this can be in terms of the earning potential for companies. Because once you're on Amazon, you are exposed to a global audience. You're talking about millions of people worldwide. So once you can tap into that market, it's now no middle person. It's direct from manufacturer directly to the customer. So this has extreme earning potential.
With that then, what do you need to sign up? I mean, you mentioned earlier the kind of documentation necessary, but what of the IT infrastructure that you possibly need, and is there a cost attached to signing up to sell on Amazon?
All right, great question. Amazon has a $39.99, and that is for their FBA fulfillment service. So what happens is Amazon will receive your products in a fulfillment center, and then from there, they will fulfill the orders, they will handle customer service, and they pay out every 2 weeks. So this is something that I know local companies have been looking forward to. But the one caution is, I would describe this as when you're going on Amazon, it's like when you're going to the embassy to get a visa. That discipline is required. You have to take care of your customers because as easily as you go on, you could be suspended as easily. So it's something that the persons have to be very serious about this opportunity. They have to know that customer satisfaction is key and maintain good metrics.
Mr. McIntosh wanted to note that Amazon isn't concerned with the size of the business. What matters is meeting the 48-hour fulfillment guideline. Now, tomorrow, we'll look at getting started as an Amazon seller. Now on to currency trading, the US dollar ended the day selling for $152.70. The Canadian dollar is going for $123.85. The pound sells for $211.51, while the euro is trading for $180.78. Gas prices are going up for the 7th consecutive week. A liter of 87 gasoline will cost 99 cents more. $2.94 will be added to the price of 90 gasoline. However, automotive diesel will sell for 14 cents less, while 32 cents will be subtracted from the cost of ultra-low sulfur diesel. The price of kerosene will increase by 29 cents. Propane will cost 25 cents more, while $2.23 will be added to the price of butane. Now on to stocks, the JSE index declined by 674 points today, while the junior market index gained 14 points. Among the winners were Epley Caribbean Property Fund, KLE Group, Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Kingston Properties, and Main Event Group. On the losing side were JMMB Group 7.25% preference shares, G West Corporation, Medical Disposables and Supplies Limited, Cargo Handlers, and Sagicor Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.